it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Hannah will be sharing 10 different nail art designs that are perfect for back to school. You can choose one design to use as an accent nail, mix and match a few, or you could do all 10. Be sure to hit that like button if you love our ultimate guides.
Hi, it's Hannah. I'm really excited to bring you all these designs so you can have awesome nails going back to school. Alright, let's get started. First, apply a base coat to help protect your nails. While I let my nails dry, I'm going to have some fun and grab my phone to play Best Fiends. If you haven't heard of Best Fiends before, it's a free puzzle adventure game where you can collect and build a team of fiends to defeat slugs by matching same colored objects. Starting today, you can watch the in-app world premiere of the awesome animated short Visit Minutia, and then play the in-game Visit Minutia event where you can win a ton of rewards. Be sure to download the game for free using the link in the description box, and you'll also get $4.99 worth of gold and diamonds for free. So now that my nails are dry, let's get going on the first design, which will be a crayon nail. For this, use a pink and black polish with pink as the base color. Use a brush to draw 2 lines on the nail, then fill in the middle. Use the pink polish to create a curvy line in the middle of the black stripe. Next will be a sneaker nail using blue, white, and black polish with blue as the base color. Take the white polish and apply it to the tip of the nail. Apply 2 sets of small dots going down the nail 3 times. Now make crisscross lines for the laces. Next, apply black dots on top of the white dots. Then create a black curved line on the tip. Next up is a paperclip design using white, green, blue, and pink polish with white as the base color. Use a brush and green polish to draw a small hook shape first. Then curve it around to form the paperclip. Actually, the best thing you can do is look at a picture of a paperclip so you can constantly see the shape and try to mimic it, which is what I did. Then add a couple more in the blue and pink colors. So I thought checker nails would be perfect for back to school since it's a popular print for fall, so for this you'll need just black and white polish with white as the base color. Apply a black line going down the middle of the nail. Then draw 2 more lines going across. Fill in every other box to complete the checkered print. I love happy nails, so I'm going to create a smiley face for the next one using yellow and black polish with yellow as the base color. Now take the black and apply 2 small lines for the eyes. Draw a larger curved line below the eyes for the smile. School can have a lot of graphs, so this design is inspired by that. Use black and white polish with white as the base color. Apply a piece of striping tape diagonally on the nail, then apply other pieces going down the nail. Use the black polish to cover 1/2 of the nail, then carefully remove the tape right after. Art was my favorite, so this nail is for some easy brush strokes. Use white, blue, pink, and yellow polish with white as the base color. As you can see, I also have liquid latex already applied just in case. Remove most of the polish from one side of the brush, then carefully swipe it onto the tip of the nail. Do this with each of the other colors for the brush stroke effect. Remove the latex and then clean up around the nail if need be. Now we have some cute apple nails using light blue, green, brown, and red polish with the blue as the base color. Now take a dotting tool and red polish to apply random dots to the nail. Use a toothpick and brown polish to create small little stems on top of the apples. Then use the green to create the leaves. Now let's create some ABC letter decals using pink, red, blue, and yellow polish with pink as the base color. Start drawing each letter onto a plastic sandwich bag, making sure they're small enough for your nail. Once dry, apply a layer of top coat over the letters and let sit for about an hour. Carefully peel off the polish and trim around the letters. Apply top coat to your nail and place the decal on top. Press down lightly to attach the decal. It's okay if your polish gets a little smushed since applying your final top coat will fix everything. And last but not least, we have a super easy notebook speckle design using black and white polish with white as the base color. I also have liquid latex applied already. Once dry, apply the black over the entire nail, then bunch together a piece of saran wrap and carefully dab it onto the nail until you see the speckled effect appear. I totally missed some on the side, so I'm just going to fill it in with a brush. Remove the latex and clean up with a brush and remover. Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out more videos on CutePolish here or here, and don't forget to subscribe right here. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!